Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you liked my video, you can give me a like, you can share my video, and you can subscribe and press the notification button so you can get lots more videos like you've seen today. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.
They get you in a compromising position. They like to get you there with a smile on your face. Well, they think you're so cute when they get you in that position. Well, I think it's such a total disgrace.